Hi guys, welcome to Divinedine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare chickenrezala with makhana. So let's begin. At first, take 4 medium-sized onions in a grinder, add 12 to 13 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. Then add 4 green chilies. Grind it and make a paste. Now take 1 kg chicken in a bowl and add the prepared paste. Then add half bowl curd, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 2 teaspoon salt. Mix them and cover it for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Now take 4 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon ghee in a hot pan. Then add some bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, mace, some black pepper and 2 red chilies. Stir this and add the marinated chicken pieces. After a while, add 1.5 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon sugar. Mix them well. After that, add the remaining marinated gravy. Now take a grinder and make a paste of cashew nuts and soaked poppy seeds. Then add the paste to the pan. Mix it. And add half cup water. Then add 1 bowl makhana, after that cover it for 10 to 12 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon kera water, 1 tablespoon rose water and half teaspoon garam masala powder. And mix them well. And our mouth-watering delicious chickenrezala with makhana is ready. Try it out and definitely you are gonna love it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.